Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a quick video real quick. I'm working on the this is a 2008 Ford Mustang. This one's got the V6, but it's got the automatic transmission. I believe all the transmissions of these years are the same if they're automatic. But anywho, I put a new transmission in this car, so I wanted to give it some extra protection. I actually monitor the transmission, during its break-in period. So I thought what better way to do it is to add an inline magnetic filter. So I picked this one up from Raybestos. It's the perfect spec for this engine. It's got the inlet and outlet are 1/2 inch, and our hosing for our automatic transmission on this car are 1/2 inch. So it's perfect. It's going to pick up any metals coming in through your transmission. So I figured it would be just a good time to actually install one of these. Just kind of monitor what it is. It's easy to change one of these out. Crack it open, kind of see what's going on, and they're fairly cheap. They're about $15 to $20, and it's going to be it's real easy to replace. We're going to put a couple of hose clamps on here, and pretty much that's it. So it's just an extra precaution. So I just thought I should bring you along and create a quick video. I'm just going to jump right into it. It's going to be really quick. So basically what it is I'm going to install it on the return line. Here is the top line that you see here, and I already have it disconnected, of course. That's because I put a new line off of the transcooler. So I already have that in here, along with a new transcooler. Everything's brand new for this, except for these lines here. Of course, if you're going to replace your transmission, you want to blow these lines out and clean them up. But we're going to cut into the stock line here, and basically what I want to do is I want this filter to have some type of support, so I would just kind of want to put it like right here, right before this little bracket that holds them in. So we're going to install this guy right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just eyeball it, how much hose I'm going to cut off, and we'll get everything connected. And of course, it always has an arrow which way it needs to flow. So like I said, this is the top line is your return line back to the transmission. I mean, you could put another line from your inlet line coming in. I like to do an outlet line or the return line, just because if something happens to the transmission cooler, say it develops a leak and sucks in water, or you never know what's going to happen. I just rather protect the transmission as much as possible, so that's why I chose the return side. Anyway, let's get to work. Let's get this thing in here real quick. I'm just going to measure it out. It's going to just basically be eyeball and make sure that I'm able to put the hose clamp on here as well. So it looks like we're right here on this lettering. It's, what is that, an A. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out real quick. This guy to the side. Let's get my pipe cutter. Like that. And go ahead and get a hose clamp, put it around this end real quick, and we need one more for the other side right here. And then we get our filter, make sure our flow is coming in the right way here. Kind of snug this guy in here all the way, just like this. And this one, I'm going to go ahead and tighten this one down while I have it loose. Just like so. Okay. So then we're going to connect the other side real quick. And I'm not going to tighten this down yet until I get it all lined up. There we go. So what I want to do is I want to get it back lined up in this bracket first. So I'm going to bring this hose clamp over. Don't forget that guy. I want to get it in this bracket here. And lock it back into place here. Alright. Not sure if I'm going to get a tool in there, but let's see. Adjust it as needed. I think it's a pretty good spot here. We'll just tighten that one up. Keep in mind, if you're doing it on your car, This car doesn't have any transmission fluid in it yet. So if you do this in your car, you're going to have a little bit of a puddle underneath your car. So, you know, don't forget your pan. You're going to collect a little bit of transmission fluid. There you go, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty easy, quick install, just to safeguard your transmission a little bit more. Hopefully that helps you out. I just wanted to share that and kind of bring you along for a short video. Anyway, got any questions on this procedure, let me know. You can leave the comments down below. Appreciate you guys tuning in on this one.